Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to troubleshoot audio issue in Microsoft Teams meeting. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the activity, community, chat, and the calendar. In the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams and the search bar in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and troubleshoot audio issues in Microsoft Teams meetings. First of all, ensure that your microphone is not muted in Teams. Click on the microphone icon in the meeting controls and make sure it's not crossed out. Then go to settings, then devices, and make sure the correct audio device is selected for both input and output. Open the volume mixer in the windows and ensure that Teams is not muted there. Adjust the volume levels if necessary. Make sure you have the latest version of Microsoft Teams installed. Also update your audio drivers and ensure your operating system is up to date. Use the Make a Test Call feature in the Teams to check your audio settings. This can help identify the issue if your device or team settings. If you're using external audio devices, ensure they're properly connected and not muted. Sometimes simply restarting the Teams app can solve audio issues also. If the desktop app is causing issues, try accessing Teams through your web browser. Of course, if you have tried all of these steps and still experience an issue, it might be worth reaching out to the IT support team for further assistance. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.